5 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sheridan to 7 miles northeast of Streator, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Joliet, Yorkville, Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Dwight, Seneca, Coal City, Diamond, Gardner, Mazon, Newark, Braceville, South Wilmington, Millington, Godley, Carbon Hill, Lisbon, Verona, and East Brooklyn, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 232, Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 122. This includes Gatorwood State Park,